Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study different pattern with same sound. Sound is r. Either it is in ER pattern or it is in IR pattern or it is in UR pattern or it is in EAR pattern. We will observe the same sound, R sound. For example, in ER, her, clerk, germ, term, spider, ladder, feather, serve, finger, tiger, stern, nerve, water, hammer, paper. In IR sound, shirt, again R, skirt, and birth, birthday, girl, skirt, squirrel, bird, chirp, third, dirt, circle, stir. And in IR, ER and UR make the same sound, R sound. Okay, now we will observe these pattern in the second slide. IR, ER and UR. Bird, first, dirt, swirl, chirp, same sound R. Now ER pattern, same sound R. Tiger, fern, otter, heart, letter. In UR pattern we observe the same sound R. Turtle, burn, turnip, cup, nurse. Now look at that in ER pattern, either it is here we observe ER pattern at the end of the word and giving the same ER sound. Okay, her, hurt, fern. Here in germ it is in the middle. ER sound is in the middle. Hammer, bladder, finger, flower, mixer, tower, letter, river. Okay, now we will observe the same R sound in ER, UR, IR, EAR and ER. In different flashcards, different patterns are given, but the sound is same. In ER, perch, term, river, fern, flower, her. In UR pattern, church, nurse, purse, same sound R. And in IR pattern, shirt, fur, bird, dirt, sir. In EAR pattern, on, pearl, learn, herd, search. In ER pattern, her, herb, nurse, turn. And in IR pattern, shirt, first. In EAR pattern, learn, hurt. Okay, now look at the next flashcard. Here again we revise the same and you will guess which pattern is here. Okay, I will read the word and you will guess the pattern. Perch, term, river, fern, flower, her. Which pattern is here? Yes, very good. ER pattern. Now I read the next flashcard and you will guess the pattern. Church, nurse, purse. Which pattern is here? Yes, UR. Next, you will guess the pattern again. Shirt, fur, bird, dirt, sir. Which pattern is here? Yes, IR pattern. It is represented with green color. Now look at the next flashcard and guess the pattern. I will pronounce the word. You will listen the sound and guess the pattern. On, pearl, learn, hurt, Search. Which pattern is here? Yes, EAR pattern. Now, all the patterns are mixed here. You have to guess which pattern is here. Her and herb. Which pattern is here? ER. Okay. Nurse, intern. Which pattern is here? UR. Shirt, in first. Which pattern is here? IR. Very good. Learn and hurt. Which pattern is here? Yes, EAR. Take care of yourself. Next we will study the next topic of phonics. Allah Hafiz.